Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to study smarter, not harder. As a student, we all know how important it is to study, but it can often be a stressful experience during exam season. In this video, I'll share with you some unique and amazing study methods and tips that will help you score the highest marks in your exams. Let's get started with the technique number 1, which is the Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro, the Italian word for tomato, and this technique was developed by Francesco Crillo, a university student who used a tomato timer to measure his 25-minute study sessions, which became known as the Pomodoro technique. Here is how you can do it. Step number 1, minimize distractions. Close your emails, social media, switch your phone to do not distribute mode, and of course, don't forget to close the door. Step number 2, choose a task. You can select any of your challenging tasks, choose one, and let's get started. Step number 3, set your timer for 25 minutes and work with full concentration. Focus on a single task until the timer rings. When your first session ends, mark off Pomodoro. Now we have 3 more sessions to go. Step 4, take a short break for 5 minutes and relax. Step 5, repeat. Start the timer again for another session. After completing 4 sessions, take a long break and enjoy. The Pomodoro technique helps you fight procrastinations, improves your concentration, and motivate you to study more. Now let's move on to technique number 2, absorb information in smaller chunks. Break down longer paragraphs, questions, or essays into smaller parts. It's easier to memorize and understand information when it's in smaller chunks. For technique number 3, let's create flashcards. Flashcards help to stretch your memory quickly, and here is how you can make them. Step 1, get more paper sheets. You can use colored paper too. Step 2, cut the paper into 4 equal parts. Step 3, gather them together, put a hole on the corner, and secure it with a thread. Step 4, on the front side, write your question or term you want to remember. On the other side, write a brief answer or definition. Step 5, go through all the cards. You can create more flashcards for your difficult subject or different chapters. This is an amazing tip to memorize any concept faster. Technique number 4 is teach someone else. One of the best ways to learn anything is to teach it to someone else. Find a study partner or family member and explain concept to them. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye.